Kublai pi baro shakatup kubor jangi karan Bosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentaka singi kilong. Bot perking ki kendon yada COVID hakapor puja bat tap vote ong u James ke sangma. Kendra bar jela kah nyautrap Aceh National Movement East Khasi Hills Hanyu Shillong. Kajantia Students Union kan persya ya ka jingdan ya kawa omngon. Pat ya kendo ki Regional Committee penbet put penbet sam hapadeng ka asam at Meghalaya. Tementang ini page ki kubor ki bakhambanya. Menteri Ketenaga Kuat ka khia ka jela u James ke sangma ula ong bagi pat ba kimde ban kensting ya ka klam COVID ha ka ne ka jela watla ka jingdan ki bayo thamai ki lanang hiarman kasngi. Habakran hadin balawai ka jingyalang u menteri ula ongru bagi pat ba ki de ban bot perking ki kendon jingyada kamtam ha ka ne ka le niam puja bat election shiteng samoy. Ka election shiteng samoy ban jed ekonomi khmat na ka benta ka maurang keneng mau plang badru ha Raja Bala constituency kanong ha ka lai phau tarik mentau benai.
So yes, we are maintaining cautious and we are trying to maintain as much vigil as possible in this regard. But then we need to also take into consideration that there are certain religious sentiments attached to this, and we have to be we have to balance these two, maintain the vigil and be cautious, at the same time we have to also allow people to carry on with their celebrations. Yes, I always keep saying this, that we will be hoping for the best, and we are preparing for the worst. So I think that if we say that yes, everything is adequate, I think that would to some extent be construed as complacency. So we do not want to be complacent. We want to be ever vigilant and make sure that preparations are monitored constantly, and this is a very fluid situation. It requires according to that situation, we need to be also ready to adapt to any kind of developing situation.
Ki Regional Committee penbet put penbet sam hapadeng ka asam ban Meghalaya menta kira let jingo ya ki artli ki jaka khapot jong kini ki artli ki jela ya ki ba amsham lala ban penbet hadu kini ki singi. Nakaliang jong ka Meghalaya ya ka Ribhoi Regional Committee lam khmat da usembut Menteri Rangba u Preston Tensong bat nakaliang ka Kamrup Metro Regional Committee lam khmat da Menteri jong ka Assam u Piyush Hazarika. Kini ki artli ki komiti kira let jingo eka shnong barapathar yong khuli mai khuli bat khanapara ban shimye ki jingpen sngo na ki nongshong shnong. Kini ki artli ki komiti kin sa aya ka report jong ki Shau Menteri Rangba ka Assam bat kumju ru Shau Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya.
কর্মতে এখিনি কার মাটি
এখিনি অসমৰ মতে এখিনি অসমৰ মতে
অসমৰ নহয় তো মেঘালয় পৰে
কোনখিনি লেকে অসমৰ মাটি
অসমৰ মতে যিটো আমাৰ প্লেন এৰিয়া
according to them
প্লেন এৰিয়া যিটো সেইটো আমাৰ অসম স্যাৰ ইপিনে আগতে এটা ৰাস্তা আছিল এই ৰাস্তাটোৰ ওপৰৰ হিলছ এৰিয়া বিলাক সেইটো মেঘালয়
This is for my grandfather's time.
we listen, but what I'm saying, because we have to also get the documents.
this is not the final we'll just listen দাদা এখেত লোকৰ মতে আমাৰ প্লেন জোৰ আছে তাৰ লকে আমাৰ according to these people hill plains areas, right? Hill plain area, this is Assam. According to her, this is Meghalaya, right? According to you, till where is Meghalaya?
Sir, our
From this
border
side,
is
from-
up to Balakansha.
No, I'm saying that side. This
From
side.
this side, sir, from the first mining area here, there is a post here, sir.
Yes.
Yes, there is a post. So that is the border of Meghalaya.
Okay, that is the border of Meghalaya according to you.
Even the actually even this area where the militaries are there, there is also a case pending. That also is Meghalaya.
Military is there. Bus stop. 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer from here.
The case where, no, where is the case lying now?
Case is lying in DC's office. No.
I'm on behalf of the government of Meghalaya. I'm so thankful to the Honorable Minister, Mr. Hazarika, representing the state government of Assam. Because you are all aware that recently the decision was taken between both the Chief Minister, Assam and Meghalaya, that those area of differences that we have all along the interstate border between Assam and Meghalaya, we need to go on the ground, we need to physically do the inspection. So I'm so happy to tell you today, we were able to cover at least six to seven places, which is known as, one is Pilangata cluster and number 2 is Khanapara cluster. So both these clusters we already visited along with the Honorable Minister. So on behalf of the government of Meghalaya, I'm so thankful to him. Please understand one thing, this is our inspection. This is only our inspection, both sides. We hear also some views from the local residents of those places, but ultimately this will be taken it up with the highest authority of both the states, means between the Chief Minister of Assam and the Chief Minister of Meghalaya very soon, where we have to do. And the second phase, I think most likely within this month. The name of the place is Baklapara. I think within this month again we will undertake the inspection, physical inspection to the remaining areas, which is already agreed between the government of Meghalaya and government of Assam in the level of the Chief Minister. So I would like to request. Are you already? Okay.
What would you like to share with us? This is a field visit only. We have listened the people of the both of the state. Meghalaya people also have said, and Assam people also have said. But decision will be taken by our honorable chief ministers in high-level meetings. I will submit a report, but this is our not total visit. We have to do another round. So with doing both the round, we'll submit our report. Accordingly, our chief ministers will take decision.
Ka anti-influx operation cell jong ka HANM East Khasi Hills hapo ka jingalam jong uba LCM president bat uba bawan nong state secretary jong ka seng henen ka sngi ka pratri urisau ar hajar ar phoi kiralet ban khandra bar jilla haniu shillong kum shibenta ban dawa pentre kamno ya ka inner line permit ha ka jilla ban yada ya ka jat ban riu na ka jingwan rung kirthlap jong ki bar jilla ka balong kadak jingmen saw ya ka pateng paket jong ka jat ban riu Habakran Shikila Pathai Khubor, Uba LCM, Uba Long U President Jongka HANM East Khasi Hills District, Ula Ong, Baka Seng Kan Sale Yakabadon Kam Meki Barjela, Kibawan Shakari U Nyautrap, Klem da Penbiang Yaki Kot Kisla Kibabiang.
Khasi Hills, Abang Iwan, Hangni Apo, Ni Selong, Bang Iwan, Ban State, Ban Wan Chat Gini non-tribal Kiba Pentrei, Hangni Apo, Ni Selong, Abang Ilam, Babon masih ada kemudian ke Islam, Babiang. Dia nak kalang jengi keseng, dia kini diberi bomdan ke Islam, nilap tak nak isi, ban thai nak selajong senang, sinsawan larak, sinsawan hadin ada fiti pendiang ke Islam. Dia bakoi tu masih menong ba, kena di kontraktor, tiba pentrei, dia kena di building. Lade hangno hane po jalan kelia ke jengi, ide ban pendiang. Yaitu level license, siapa kinuan manuan train ni kinuan travel. Si berkawai tu kalau bah ni naliang kasih, SNM Istasiel, nang ni cakmat train bean. Ada ni nak liang kasih, ada ngilap iki ngilap biang iki, bagi biang ikut kislah, nginle catgum ka, kam bang ide banle nak liang kasih, ngin penstom iki.
Ke limitasi hani tum khot ke SNM Ikasel District hari ke pon tang wan hani ke jaka hani ke bari po ni Selong tidak wan check ke bolesan betre ni de non tribal di Barjala non train ki osla dia kala juga seng tas ni alap tikreng ba dan ke tu kali kontraktor ni isim perjang tu isla yaki Ababiang dan nak cik ni jemdan kot sababiang kena kada kena juga steng tu ila yakir belum tu Islam ila pak cik yaki bahadu kat kiri ke penjang kat ke Islam lagi penjang mengidu steng ni hari bamdan kot sababiang ila pak semua dah menginsak bersih.
Kajantia Students Union menekasngi kala penlong ya kajing kendo lang ki dekot ka CEC na keleng ki unit bat ki circle rengkar bat ki nong ya lam ka seng kme jang ka seng. Ya kani ka CEC la penlong ha Orchid Hall thalasken. Ya kajing ya lang la penyad u President Rangba ka seng usam la Jersom Shila bat ya kimat ya thir la lam khmat u General Secretary Rangba ka seng usam la Trebor lang ar suchen bat ya ka kentien ai khublei la ai do Vice President ka seng usam la ap lang lamare. Ka CEC kala shem ya karai ba kenam kenran dien bat persya bet ya ka jingdan ya kawa umngat namar ka kta ikinong song snong ka elaka darang.
Sebelum kerpa jadi uya deli uya keren lagi nak uya por sepor kenang wa kecil cakri yang mina kontak beri uja dulu yaman kau wajab yaman usok lupa baha yaman nak kontak untuk lu kalau way itu keburam yama ayong pi yang man kalau way nak kontak kari bagi saya perlu do itu boleh sebut Islam Jesu.
Kau man kata bangsa sebawi ke isu ke yang ni kau dang libur kau tu kesni ne benta to yo cipun ki kena napok ini kesan celong ikam cok nurut giwa aja mulut mukla nak pentip IMK mi to cim cingai ka jingluti ko lai kelas ki bai ko to cim kita ba i to cim gi cipun ha ka bai ko to pedi to ko pat ba hande mani cem lo disi ong ko di to ne liang giong kenika association yang kajai ti agi terus association wa iki ka hing kesan pau ang ampel i de bo disi to kenika kam setia to man ko sukses hari kan ka bonde hablai chemo DTO yopan kacing che kaman lagi ha ka tu ka ba ka dunan gi na kina ala class wa kina ala school lem dunan gi sia kaman kata sni
siamo bene di se si sente problemi qui che stiamo a legare qui la terra di siamo malati per scuola di solo tempo di scuola qui e siamo da kira nama kambalai perlu Thailand. Sebab pun hari isu itu ada di Thailand. Ini dia setelah ini dia di setelah dari mana yang di Thailand yang luar. Jaga house kata the permit kalau everyone member unit satu lupa pulang house kita ini. Sebab lalu ni song lagi apa ini ini. Siapa kamu dengan untuk dia sudah. Jadi every siapa awan jenis keluar. Mana di sini
Hene kasngi ka District Mental Health Program DMHP Jowai Civil Hospital Yalong kala penlong ya ka World Mental Health hachut wakhu Indo Sports Hall kam auditorium. Hakani kasngi layo ki kentien pediang burom naka kong embare ka balong kum ka community nurse DMHP layo ya ka jingkran na urang ba snong ka chut wakhu upi lengdo ka Dr. A.M. Paswet Psychiatrist District Nodal Officer DMHP kala pensyai ki jingpang babonjan bakta eka bor perkhat bakun thup kum ka jingsha kta bor perkhan hadien bala jia kanu ka jing tungkhu kali ka jing di ki kenja penbuat bapher bat kiwe ka Essington Clinical Psychologist kala pensyai halor ka phang jokani ka si ka baong Mental health in an unequal world da ka ba ai nuksa ka jing shak ta bor perkhat ki breu na ka jing wan ka klam COVID-19 balada jia badon ki baklat na uni uknyang jingpang klem yo lit pendep ya kan yam ka rukom bakhadu nangta ka kong di tong per psychiatric social worker kala kentu ki khna ba shem banta ha kan ka si bakin long ki ba ai jing yara pe ki wei pat ki ba shitom ha ka bor perkhat
le ke de to kani ka theme to mental health is in an unequal world temon ha kani ka situation where COVID-19 bon ha ki tagi ki ups and downs ki wa gi bru ki wa yo de bam gi bru ki wa ye de benda penbiang bon jek ki tagi ki daw ki penwit ina jimbot berkhat yang bru next ka program yang ini lai ko keleng wa lai ki school next lai chi school ki wa per na pok ni ko western te hills jong e program yang i khna ho ya rap ki khna school next lai ha ki thau ko per e to wai ki chin ya ki ki bru ki em ka jing wo ji berkhat ka jing kujut ka jing wo ji berkhat next Klami Chapang Ganiga mental health Haganiga during pandemic Haganiga COVID-19. Next. How on take a word, mental illness is not something that happened to other, it touches us all. Mud call the M sun would hayung. Let a payong kayung kujut unaganiga jin kujut ko ta gajing mujibat kat would rock so would kujut lang. Mtok ya bigo, ma, mem ya bigo, right? Let a kujut ubi hagayung kasem yang people rock kujut lang ni, kamani tewa ye jia kam te how mem ya bigo, mtok kam COVID-19 there, ya bigo we there. Tang gani ka mental health one kata lang ko yung kasam rock ko we na we ha yung kasam yang PM yung ka jing kujut kayi ka kata jing kujut ko kata ka jing mo jibat khat wa kayi ka kata jing kujut ko wa kata wa ro chi yung system. Next how la yaw pi ma
Cuba yang kedai yang pa ni jinjak accident ni empor floods no ni empor kopting yung yang kita kaya kon dari itu ye tu sign symptom you kama takalan juga bilang kalam ding no boleh ding ndai le wa man ba kata stress ni tension ni wa dia jinjak wa man sudden no man kan accident no kita nak kita kata jemput kat yang ni. Takkan betul le MK ya pergi ke hospital yang juga kita kata jingnya selam yo lek kiu yo lek ni gitu ki ibu man waktu lima ada minyak pergi jadi poi di sini lima ye mendadak yang jinja ni ye kau ne haduk pelat rubenai
Badak itu ki kubor ngilapoi syuka bakun tarhadu bangin daya syambiang kublai shibun.